Horses out, we have Golden Pyramid. Pass to begin, rushing upon the outside now is Magnolia's Classic. This time by about 3 lengths. Chasing a Dream in second, and in third, Golden Pyramid. Manager Francis Jamal supervise. Then followed by Shining G and High in Action is the early trailer. We have Magnolia's Classic by about 3 lengths now. Chasing a Dream in second, and moving up now to take the race, Manager Francis Jamal in fourth. Golden Pyramid fading out, supervised, and a long way back to Shining G and High in Action. And that's still entry rate, Magnolia's Classic by about 3 lengths. And in second, still is Chasing a Dream. Then here comes Manager Francis. Now coming closer in third, Magnolia's Classic, followed by Chasing a Dream. Manager Francis in third, then followed by Jamal in fourth. And it's still Magnolia's Classic by about 2 lengths. And in second is Chasing a Dream. Manager Francis down on the inside. As they come near the last 150, Magnolia's Classic moving up. Manager Francis on the outside. But it's still Magnolia's Classic. Manager Francis is on the outside second. Magnolia's Classic. Manager Francis is on the outside. And finally it's Magnolia's Classic. Manager Francis supervised. Then comes Chasing a Dream. Number 7, Jamal.
86257. Ganda ng forecast niya.